Write a Python program to check whether the number entered is odd or even. I have already written a program here for you. What is the odd number? Those numbers which are divisible by 2 are even, and those numbers which are not divisible by 2 are odd numbers. Let us consider this first line. Num is equals to int. Input, enter the number. What we have to do? We have to accept one number from the user with the help of input function, and whatever we enter through the input is considered as the string. Then we have to convert string value into the int with the help of int function. The converted value will be stored in the variable num. Now first I will just run the program for you and then explain you the further coding. Here it is asking me enter the number. Suppose I have entered number 3 and I press enter. 3 is the odd number, so it is giving me the message as number is odd. Once again I will execute this program. This time instead of 3 I entered 4. What message can you see on the screen? The number is even. Now let us understand this program. Num is a variable having the number to be checked whether this is odd or even. Now if it is divisible by 2, first number we entered was 3. Is 3 divisible by 2? Complete division? No, the remainder comes out to be 1. It means we are bothered about the remainder. If the remainder is 0, when we divide the number by 2, then it is an even number. Otherwise, it is odd number. That is why we have to use which operator? Modulus operator. So, modulus operator is which operator? It is the arithmetic operator. It is the mathematical operator which is used to give you the remainder. Now, in the if we have to write the condition. What condition? If num modulus 2. Now 3 modulus 2. When we divide 3 by 2, the remainder is 1. Is 1 equal to 0? No, 1 is not equal to 0. So the control of the program will come to the else part. This statement, print number is even, will not be executed. Why? Because the condition is false. So we come to the else part. In the else part it is written print number is odd. So it is executed. Second time when I executed the program, I entered 4. Is 4 divided by 2 completely? What is the remainder? It is 0. Is 0 equal to 0? Yes, of course. This time the condition comes out to be true. When the condition is true, then the number is even. We have to give this message. So this will be executed if the number is even. Clear? Now just understand this. Why we have placed double equal to symbol? What is it? It is the relational operator. Relational operator is used to check the condition for equality. We cannot use single equal to here. Single equal to is the assignment operator and double equal to is the relational operator. And as I have already told you in the previous program, we have to put the colon just to show that this print statement will be executed if the condition is true. We have to indent it. Same way, we have to put the colon after the else also just to show the indentation that this statement is the part of else and this statement is the part of if.